Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken 65 biryani. To marinate the chicken, we are going to add some salt, black pepper powder, pinch of turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, tandoori masala, corn flour, ginger garlic paste, freshly squeezed lemon juice, eggs, and now I'm using my hand. I'm going to give everything a good mix. You can use a wooden spoon. And the chicken marination looks like this, well coated. And I'm going to cover this bowl and refrigerate this for at least 20 minutes. Chicken has been well marinated, and now the chicken is ready to go fry. So I have my oil preheated. I'm going to add few pieces at a time. Chicken breast fry faster. 5 to 6 minutes is enough to fry this chicken. So now remove on a plate with paper towel. I'm using a non-stick pan. I'm adding some oil. It's about 4 to 5 tablespoons. I'm using ghee. You can definitely use vegetable oil, but I like to use my olive oil. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add cumin seeds, curry leaves. You need a lot of curry leaves. Onion finely sliced. Onion has a light brown color. Add the remaining ginger garlic paste. Blended tomato. Mix, and the heat is over medium high. Add salt, pepper, tandoori masala, chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder. Give it a mix. Add about a cup of water. We are going to reduce the heat to medium low, cover, and let it cook. This is how the gravy looks like after 10 minutes slow cooking. We are going to add the chicken pieces. Keep the heat over medium low. Using Greek yogurt, you can use any plain yogurt. Add chilies, chop mint, chop coriander. Give everything a good mix. We are going to cook this for 5 more minutes. Cover. If your yogurt didn't release water, you can add about a quarter cup of water just to have a little bit of gravy. We are going to turn the heat off. Move to the next step, which is the rice. And now in another pot, we are going to add water to boil. Add salt, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cumin seeds, bay leaf. Now cover and bring to a boil. Water is boiling. Add the basmati rice. I was soaking this for 10 minutes. I'm going to remove all of these cardamom, bay leaf. Give the rice a mix as you just put the rice in. It's very important so that the rice will cook evenly. So the first layer will be half cooked, second layer will be 95% cooked. Now I'm adding the first layer. I'm adding the second layer and I'm going to drain the rest. I'm going to add some orange food color on top, fried onion, cilantro, a little bit of ghee. Now we are going to cover. Let it cook over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Chicken 65 biryani. It's perfection. Look at this, guys. This is so yummy. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time with another one. For now, bye bye.